Design of adhesive metal joints. Any adhesive joint has to be specially optimized for adhesive joining in order to have a joint of optimal strength. Of the possible loading types which an adhesive joint can be subjected to, it is most suited for shear, torsion, and compressive loads. Tensile and in particular cleavage or peeling forces should be avoided. Design types which avoid peeling stresses in adhesive joints of metals are illustrated in this figure. The figure illustrates further possible designs for constructing overlapping adhesive joints. Scarf joints are most suitable for tensile shear loading since the load distribution is favorable. These joints can, however, be used only for large joint part thicknesses and are complicated to manufacture. Examples for joint designs. Designs which have proved most successful for corner joints, closed-sectioned profile joints, and tube joints are illustrated in the following three figures. The examples of closed profiles. While joining tubes of different coefficients of thermal expansion adhesively, the tube with the larger expansion should be designed to be on the outside. Typical application examples for adhesively joint metal constructions are layered or laminated, shell and sandwich constructions. Laminated constructions, shell constructions, supported core sandwich constructions. Sandwich constructions are only possible with adhesive joining. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.